kaso sa balat, ha?
Anytime now, and the race is on. Yes, Commander, Ebony Bell, Kissable Toys by Darrell. Kissable Toys followed by Yes, Commander in second. And racing third, the favorite, Ebony Bell. And racing in fourth, Star Eliza Valiantly. And White Tara Express is running by Darrell. Kissable Toys, Yes, Commander, fighting for the lead. Ebony Bell is racing third. Racing on the outside is Star Eliza. And inside the last 650, Yes, Commander, Kissable Toys, Ebony Bell, Star Eliza. And rounding the far turn, Ebony Bell, Star Eliza on the outside. Pokes his nose, Star Eliza, Ebony Bell once again by Darrell. Ebony Bell pokes his nose by Darrell, Star Eliza on the outside. As they race the final corner, Ebony Bell, Star Eliza, Star Eliza, Ebony Bell, Star Eliza on the outside. Last 200, Star Eliza, Ebony Bell by Darrell. Star Eliza, Ebony Bell is down on the inside and nearing the finish line. Star Eliza outlasting Ebony Bell. White Tara Express, Kissable